Hello guys, thank you for stopping by my YouTube channel today. You're welcome again. In this video I'll be showing you how to make the most stable and simplest whipped cream. Let's look at the ingredients. Please check the description below for the complete measurement. First, in a clean bowl, make sure that there is no oil or any form of grease. I pour in my cold water and my whipped cream powder. Then I whip for about a minute. Then I added my icing sugar. After this, I also added my corn flour and whip for about 5 to 10 minutes to get the consistency that I want. When making whipped cream, please note that the longer you whip, it will become more stable. Like if you want it to be very stable, you whip until you get that consistency that you want. Please, if you are new to this channel, kindly hit on the subscription button and subscribe. Also turn on your notification button so that you can get notified whenever I post amazing videos like this. Please leave your question on the comment section. I will attend to them. Bye.